Our new topic is under computer and calculator. This is the last topic for grade 10, if at all you are using Zambian syllabus. So we'll start by defining what a calculator is. If possible, we'll also define what a computer is all about. So we are told a calculator is a device that performs arithmetic operations on numbers, e.g., we have addition, subtraction, we also have multiplication, we also have divisions. So, in addition to arithmetic operations, we also have exponential operations, and these are, we have roots, where we have written roots. The roots, we know the roots. Then we have logarithms. We have trigonometric functions, where we have the sine, the cosine, and also the tangent. Then we also have hyperbolic functions. So those are operations which can be operated by the computer, I mean by the calculator. So, what are exponents? We know exponents are things which are in a form of a what? A root. I mean in a power. So exponents, we mean things like this: x to the power y, where we have, e.g., we can say 5 to the power 3. These are exponents because there is a base and also an exponent there. These are exponentials. Then we also have what we call the roots. So under the roots, we have square and the cube. We also have the cube roots. What do we have under this? What is the meaning of this? If I do this, I mean the square root. If I do this, I put my 3 there, that one will mean the cube root. That one will mean the cube root of x. E.g., we have the cube root of 20. Start with the square root of 25, which is 5. We have the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27 is 3. So this is what we have under the roots, and also we have other roots. So this is what we have under the calculator. Now let's go now to the definition of a computer. Let us try to define what a computer is all about. So now we go to the definition of a computer. So we are defining it as an electronic device which accepts signals. Then after accepting the signals, it processes the signals. Then after processes, it can also store the signals. It can also output, so communicates results in a humanly readable form. So this is what a computer can do. So now a computer has got a part which is known as a hardware. So let's look at the computer hardware. What is it all about? So we look at computer hardware. So computer hardware, those are the physical parts of a computer. The physical parts of the computer. So talk about the physical part, we're talking about things that we can see. Things that we see, such as the monitor itself. The monitor is a computer hardware. So we have the other point is that computer hardware, the sources are in 4 categories as follows. We have the category which is known as the input. We have the category known as the process. We have the category known as the storage. And we also have the category known as the output. We have the process known as the output process. Having looked at this one, let us now go to how these hardware processes or categories are, or how they operate. How they operate. This is what we have under computer hardware, which are the categories. We have the input unit, then we have the process unit. When you process something, there must be an output, output unit. Rather, even when you process it, that thing can be stored. The storage, this is the storage unit within the computer. Then we have now the output unit. So we have to note that the arrows, these arrows which we have used here, show the flow of data within the computer. The arrows, they just show, arrows show the flow of data within the computer. So this is what happens. So having looked at this, we are ending here our lesson. Our next video will be under algorithms. We are going to look at algorithms. Thank you so much.